Construction sites are notorious for leaving behind a trail of dust and debris, but did you know these remnants can significantly impact indoor air quality and safety? Let's explore the hidden dangers lurking in post-construction residue. Beyond just being unsightly, construction residue can dull finishes and pose safety hazards. A clean site isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for ensuring a safe and polished environment for everyone involved. The first step in post-construction cleaning is debris and waste removal. Clearing out leftover materials and packaging sets the stage for a thorough clean, ensuring no stone is left unturned. Next, we use HEPA-filtered equipment to capture fine dust and particles. This step is vital for maintaining air quality and ensuring every surface is spotless, from vents to countertops. Surface care is where the magic happens. We restore shine and remove construction marks, while window detailing ensures crystal clear views. Final touches include sanitizing high-touch areas and cleaning fixtures. Imagine stepping into a space where sunlight streams through spotless windows and polished floors reflect the craftsmanship. Professional cleaning unveils the design, delivering the wow moment clients expect. A clean, move-in ready space enhances your reputation as a builder or contractor. Clients feel confident in their choice when they see a pristine final product, knowing they've partnered with the right team. Post-construction cleaning isn't just an afterthought, it's a crucial part of project completion. By ensuring a spotless finish, you leave a lasting impression that speaks volumes about your commitment to quality. At A2Z Building Maintenance, we don't just clean, we complete your vision. As a proud member of LIUNA Local 1059, our trained and certified team delivers the safety, quality, and professionalism your project deserves. Give us a call today at 519-694-5678. Visit our website at a2z.ca